Okay, we're going to have a look at how to airbrush a photograph. You can see this lady's quite freckly, got quite a few blemishes, so we're going to look at how we can take them out. First thing we need to do is create a duplicate of the layer. And the next thing on that duplicate layer, we need to apply a filter. Apply a Gaussian blur filter. You can see that that makes the whole thing a bit blurry and seem out of focus. The less of the radius, the more, or the less blurry it seems. The bigger the radius, the more blurry. And probably end up somewhere around here-ish. Just you can see that that's given a much smoothing effect to the skin there. And then what we do is we have to rub out the bits that we don't want to be blurry. Now, so we have to select an appropriate size brush, and the opacity here, the higher that number is, the more it rubs out. So if we use that, it'll rub out quite thoroughly, and then you're left with an obvious gap, an obvious difference between the blurred bit and the non-blurred bit. So what I'll probably do here is cut this down quite a bit. This will give it a much softer look, somewhere around there-ish. If I start to do this and rub out, you can see that there's not a hard distinction between the bits that have been erased and the bits that haven't. And bring some of the eyebrows back in. Make sure we've got an edge to the side of the face, keep it looking natural. Yeah, same down the neck. Down here. And apply the eraser to the lips so that we've got some nice definition on the lips and teeth. I want to do a little on the nose, it looks a bit more natural. And then come round here, make the brush a bit larger, and put a lot more definition into the hair. Again, to make it look much more natural. There we go. Blemish-free portrait.